Yes, you're welcome to another episode of Beat Breakdown with your boy Sir Classy. And today I'll be showing you how I made the remake of OJORO by Terri Starboy, the hit song currently banging everywhere right now, OJORO. So I did my own remix about a month ago or so. I put it out on my website. So I felt I should do a tutorial on it to show you my process of how I got it done. So we'll listen to it, just get the preview, then we'll break it down. Let's go. So that's basically it. That's just basically it. That is a preview. So let me break it down for you. And this time I started with the chords first. So what I did here was, let me turn this off. So I just layered. This is a pluck, a muted clean guitar, a muted guitar. This is a regular guitar sound, a jazz guitar, I guess. Yeah, a jazz guitar sound. Then this is a regular, sorry about that. And this is a regular guitar clean. So I layered them all together to get this sound. So they're all playing the same notes, but this one, because the pluck has lower frequencies down here, I took it up here, an octave up, so it can be lighter. So you can take a look at the notes here. Then after doing that, I added kind of like a radio effect that kind of like transits out. Listen to it. So I did it with this Fruity Love filter. The preset I used was Simple Triangle Low Pass. That was the preset I used. Then with some slight tweaking. Sorry about that. With some slight tweaking here, just to get that sound right. Then added automation, so just to make sure it ends here. And after that, I added this sound here. The sound is from Absinthe. Let's see if you can get the sound out. The sound resets. So I think it's Alien Brass. I think Alien Brass is the name. So let's see how it sounds without the effects. Yeah, so that was it, just to add texture to it. Then another thing again I added was this sound here. So in the verse, remember I already talked about the drums, the melodies I mean. So now we'll come to the drums. Let me put this on. That's basically it. Then I added this. This is a shaker loop. Then I added this sound. This is a hi-hat loop I got from a Unison hip hop. Their kits, I will recommend these kits. I will recommend the Unison kits. They also have MIDI files for sale. Like, it's crazy. Like, I didn't regret buying it. I've been using it for most of my productions since when I got it. Like, it's a lifesaver. Like, it just gives you new ideas and make work easy. So check out Unison. Unison kits is crazy. So this is a hi-hat. And I layered it with the other ones I played before. You can see how it just blends. So that was it. Then coupled with the initial sounds that we're playing. Okay, this is the bass, sorry. I still have another sound here, still from Unison, layered it. Yeah, so then I added the bass line. So yeah, then that's pretty much it for most parts of the beats. But there are some slight variations along the way, like this for example. Then I added these flutes. Then let's not forget the saxophone. Sorry, I mean the bells, I mean. Still from Absinthe. Yeah, so I got that from Absinthe. Most of the sound for this beat were just kind of from Absinthe. Like, I really use the plugin, but whenever I use it, man, it just amazes me with the sounds I get from it. This sound is called Cone Angle, I mean. So this is the sound I got from Absinthe. So let's listen to it. Yeah. Initially, I was kind of skeptical on adding kicks to the beat. So what I did was I used I just kind of like chopped up the kick here. So the kicks, I was even thinking initially if I should even use kicks, you know. But then, like, I just chopped up a kick from a sample, from this sample here. So I like how the kick sounds. So I just chopped it up and used it in the beats, which is quite unusual for me. So then I introduce 808 in here using that plugin, using my favorite 808 plugin, Bloodline, mad plugin for 808. So let's listen to the 808s. So that's what I did with the 808s. Then I play this sound here. Yeah, so that is the formal sound that I had in the beginning, the trumpet sound. So I brought it in the chorus. Then I have this also. This is just a flute from Purity or orchestra. Wow, this is a flute from orchestra. I'm surprised it's here. I normally don't leave my orchestra loaded up, but it's there. So let's go on. Alright, then I added this sound here. This sound is from Absinthe. It's still Alien Brass, wow. Still Alien Brass, so that's what I did there. Then I added these guys here. So I kind of just doubled this there. So let's listen to it and see. So this drum roll, I got it from a drum roll pack, a reggae drum roll pack. It just happened to fit in the beats. And yeah, so that's how I made the remake, well, my own version at least of the beats. So I hope this inspires you to do something better. Alright, I remain your boy Sir Classy, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Do subscribe, do share, do comment what else you need me to talk on, or what you feel like I can perform better at. If I'm not too clear, let me know. If I'm too fast, let me know. Just feel free to drop anything. Criticisms are allowed. You're welcome. Yeah, so peace.